Hello everyone, today I will introduce a website that uses free Temp-Mail. The website I am currently using is noopmail.org. You can access it at the link below. Here I will demo how to guide it for you. Step 1, you choose Copy Mail. Step 2, you can use it to make temporary mail or spam mail, or you can mail verify only once. Thank you. Wish you can use Temp-Mail at website noopmail.org.